Hey everybody, doing unboxing here. I received a mystery package in the mail, so I have no idea what's in here. I'm hoping, well, we're going to find out together, because I have no clue. Maybe this isn't the best idea to be opening this up, but I got a helmet on, right? Should be alright. What is it? What is it? I have no idea what it is. I still have no idea what it is. Any guesses? What does that look like? Well, a little bit further out here. Okay. Oh wait, it's looking like maybe some cookie cutters, possibly. Ah. Okay, well, is it a cookie cutter? Let us see here. Wait, not a cookie cutter. It looks like they are peelers or something? Ah, it says on the back. So peeling, hold the peeler at about 20 degrees to the vegetable and pull away. Shredder. It's a shredder. Garlic, peeled garlic, clove, leaving the hard part, root end up. Huh. So these are little kitchen aid devices, looks like, in a child-proof bag. Alrighty, so let's see what else we got here. So there is that. Oh, it's got some claws on that bad boy. So this is some kind of there's a 3-pack, looks like. And there's also, what we got here? 3 more, maybe? Give these away, I guess. Looks like they're 3 more of the same. So that's what we got there. That's pretty cool. We'll be doing a review on this stuff then. See if I can't break it free of its little packaging here. Little zip tie. So it looks like I don't know if they have different applications. That's pretty sharp there. So we got man, I think it's got some. So 3 different ones, looks like. I think this is like a little core or peeler part it has here. Let's see what the instructions have to say here. Alright, so peeling, hold the peeler at about 20 degrees to the vegetable and pull away from the hand. Shredder, shredding cabbage, take half a cabbage, leaving the core intact, start working around the cheese. Simply drag the peeler along the cheese block. More pressure will give a slightly thicker slice. It's possible to curl chocolate using this method. That's cool. Slicing from the peeling position. Turn the peeler over. And let's see, how is it? Turn the peeler over. And hold it in the other hand with the blade upturned. Okay. Holding a carrot cube in a pencil grip at about 40 degrees. Rest on the bar, then I can't read that. It's like blotted out there. Strike it across the blade as if striking a match. Perform this quickly for thin and even slices. I'm guessing with the coring part here, maybe? I'll have to demonstrate that. I'm not sure how that's going to work. Maybe it's, well, I don't know. Alright, so garlic, peel garlic clove, leaving the hard root end up. Push a fork through the top of the clove just below the root and at angles to the curved side of the clove. This keeps your finger safe while you slice across the blade. Decoration, use a potato seed removal. Okay. So, I'm going to have to try this out with various little things. So that's what arrived in the mail. Kind of a little mystery package there. A little 3-pack of different peelers. There we have it. So thanks for watching this mystery unboxing, my friends, and we'll see you next time. I'll be doing a review video on these products soon.